This is true that the properties that can be created from the electricity is exactly not architecture science and its properties. Uh, Impressive in the work, impressive in the doing, but the electricity's beauties. This is a littlest beauty of the electricity. I will release you to the energy and properties that are unlimited of the electricity. Please subscribe me for until unlimited properties, different properties and properties of the electricity. Thanks for watching. And also I want to tell you finisher thing about this circuit that I told you from the previous video is I will fully solve these circuit's problems, and I will show you how the circuit can create for different properties like adjusting different lights illumination and different motors speeds and different heaters temperature and etc. Wow. Bye. Bye.